Actually quite a bit. So we are continuing to grow as a company. We were really starting to grow now, even starting to outgrow our own building and looking for more space. So we're hiring in more young people who are bringing in new ideas, and we need more space to put them into so they can be productive and everything. But we are growing across the country, across the world, so we are expanding our partnerships. Of course, we've been with COBUS for several years now, or many years now, but we're also looking to, especially going out to the Liedl, we're looking for partners so we can bring our products across the world, really. Well, actually, we did an article recently where we were talking about the lack of real people that have knowledge, industry knowledge, and bringing them, being able to hire and find people to hire and bring them into the industry. So that's one of the big challenges, and we did an article on it recently where our customers are having problems finding people to hire, and of course our solution is to provide them with automated solutions, more integration, more storage and retrieval systems, so more machines and more robots being brought into the line, because that's, of course, solves the problem of not having an educated workforce that they can hire. So we're solving that with automation, and I think that's a big thing that our customers in the United States are currently having a problem with and trying to find a solution to. Well, COBUS is just in general is a great company to work with, so everybody here is really great to work with. And also you guys have a very large footprint in Europe, so you guys have a lot of manpower and a lot of connections, and of course having a partnership with that is something that's advantageous for a small company like Eurosoft, where we're like I mentioned, we're currently trying to continue to expand into the rest of the world, not just in the United States and North America. And COBUS has the potential to sell both our products and get more of a widespread news for us and a connection to the rest of the world. So we're hoping that COBUS and the great people that work at COBUS can help us out and to achieve that. So it's just great working together with you guys. Yeah.